Navika, first and foremost thing, violence of mob lynching is highly condemnable. I, in strong words, condemn the mob lynching in Bangladesh. Nobody has a right to take law into their own hands. Everybody has to follow the rule of law. And we would like the Bangladeshi government to take stern action steps to ensure the safety of the Hindu minorities there and to see to it that those who are the perpetrators of the crime are punished. The mob lynching anywhere is condemnable, Navika, whether there or here. I would also like the Indian governments to intervene it and to see that the safety of the Hindu minority is protected in Bangladesh. Let them take steps. But what we are seeing in our country as well in India, every day we have witnessed mob lynching of Muslims in the name of cow or not deciding the JSR. Sometimes they just on the suspicion of cow smuggling, they are mob lynched, but nobody condemns it. No punishment to them. And now Ikhlaq, who was mob lynched in the suspicion of carrying cow meat, which ultimately was found out to be buffalo meat, was mob lynched in Uttar Pradesh, and the perpetrators of the crime who killed Ikhlaq, the UP government wants to withdraw the cases on them. So is this not giving helping the mob lynchers? What precedents are we setting before the entire country? The mob lynching anywhere must be condemned in highly condemnable action. Now, as you named the actress quite several times, you took the name of Janhvi Kapoor. Let me tell her, Janhvi Kapoor is an Indian actress. She got name, fame, money, power, everything from India. She's a Bollywood actress. Her parents are from Bollywood. Top actress Sridevi's daughter. Now, she condemned Bangladesh incident. Very good. Mob lynching was done, very good. But she was also raise her voice when mob lynching happens in our country. Why at that time do they keep their mouth shut? And why don't they take raise as the time? Why don't they object? Why don't they condemn? Why don't they say that, okay, this perpetrator should also be punished? So this is not double standard, Navika. Can you just believe this? She said, okay, I am happy that she said that condemn it. But here also mob lynchings are happening. Nobody has a right to take law into their own hands. Everybody has to follow the rule of law. And our country has a constitution. We follow the rule of law. But what happens at the BJP? What do they do?